Namaste. Welcome to the series of Chair Yoga by Sandeep Solanki. A lot of people complain about pain in the knees or discomfort in the knees, especially at a later age. From 40 onwards, they feel that the knees cannot take a lot of weight. This is also because of not allowing the muscles that supports the knees to become stronger. They start becoming weaker, and that's the reason why the knee has to bear more weight. It is proved that any excess weight on the body is 6 times more on the knee. So if I am excess by 10 kgs of my idle weight, I am putting 60 kgs more on my knee. Let's keep it aside. If I make these muscles, which are called as quadricep muscles, stronger, it will support my knee and it will reduce the compression or the discomfort from the knee. It will reduce the strain from the knee. And that's the reason why today in this video we are going to watch 3 simple exercises to strengthen the quads. For this we will require a cushion, and I have one. Here it is. So what I'm going to do with this friend? I will use this as a support to strengthen my quads, which will indirectly help my knee, strengthen my knee. So the first practice for this knee is I will keep the cushion between the knee. So I will sit little forward in the center or maybe at the edge of the chair so that my thighs are a little freer, and then I will place the cushion between the knees. After that, I will bring both my feet closer to each other, the heel together, the toes together, and my legs are at 90 degrees. My heels are not going too much forward, neither my heels are going too much backward. So I keep my legs 90 degrees at the knee. Cushion between the knee. Now the first exercise, I press the knee internally into each other as if both the knees are going to touch each other. The moment I do this, I will find that these muscles, the quadricep muscles, have now started getting engaged. When it will get engaged, it will start getting stronger, which will indirectly support the knee. Pressing the knee constantly, don't let it get released, because initially when you will press it, after a few seconds you will find the knees are going a little away, but constantly remind yourself to keep on pressing the knee into each other for at least 15 to 20 seconds. Hold there. Second thing to keep in mind is don't slouch, keep your back straight. Let the back remain straight. Press the knee as hard as you can, and then after about 15 to 20 seconds, release. Repeat this exercise for about 5 times to feel the effect of it. Every time you will do, you will find some tiring, but it is good because you are now using the muscles. The more better you do, the more longer you hold with ease, the better it will become, and the muscles will become stronger. One more thing I want you to bring your attention to is breath. A lot of time when people do this, they tend to hold their breath. If you hold the breath, the muscles will go into a little spasm, or you will find that they will get tired. So keep breathing so that you can sustain the position for about 15 to 20 seconds with ease. Don't hold the breath. Let the breath flow normally. If you find difficult, you can use your mouth to exhale, like pressing the knees and then inhaling, exhaling. Every time you exhale, you press the knee further and then you hold there. And this is how you can continue for about 3 to 5 reps or holding for 15 to 20 seconds. So this is the first practice. Repeating it 3 to 5 times. 5 times will be better. Now let's see the second practice. The second practice is done with keeping the cushion underneath the thigh. So I'm keeping the cushion underneath. Then what I do is I lift one leg up, and after lifting one leg up, I press the cushion or press the knee down. The moment I do this, I will find again my quads have got a little engaged, and then I hold there. Maybe I can stretch the toes in to bring this area, to engage this area more, the quads more. I should feel as if I am pressing the thigh, the back of the knee down to the floor. By straightening the leg and by feeling the engagement of the quads. After holding it for about 10 to 15 seconds, with simple normal breathing, I will release. And then I will repeat it again. I lift And after lifting, I press the thighs and the knees down to the floor and stretch the toes in and feel how the quads muscles have got engaged. I maintain there for some time, and then maybe after 10 to 15 seconds I release, keeping the breathing normal throughout. And I repeat this with the right leg 5 times, then with the left leg 5 times. Holding for about 10 seconds to start with is a good thing. And then later on, holding it for about 30 seconds can be ideal. Now another way to do this is, you can also do this by sitting on the floor. Sitting on the floor with both the legs straight and your back also straighter, and then keeping the cushion underneath the knees. In that variation, you will find it a little easy to do. You just have to press the knees down, lifting the heels up and feeling how the quads are getting engaged. So this is the second practice. The first practice was keeping the cushion between the knee. The second was keeping the cushion underneath the knee and the thigh. Now let's come to the third practice. This third practice looks very easy, but friends, when you will do it, you will find that it is actually quite difficult. So for the third practice, for strengthening the knee, strengthening the quads, we once again sit a little forward at the edge or maybe in the center of the chair, and then we press both the knees down, keeping the feet together, knees together, heels together, toes together, and both the legs are at 90 degrees. Now press the knees into each other. Shoulders are relaxed, back is straight. After pressing the knees, don't let the knees get released. Let it remain there. And then keeping the knees pressed, very slowly lifting one leg, the right leg up. Keep on pressing the knee, pressing the knee, pressing the knee. It is actually becoming very difficult. I can feel the whole of my inner thigh, whole of my quads are now getting engaged. And then I remain there. If possible, try to keep your legs straighter. And then remain there for about 10 seconds and then pressing the knee to release. Don't just release, just keep on pressing the knee, pressing the knee, pressing the knee to release. And then after it comes down, you can relax for about a few seconds. And then repeat with the other side, with the left side, pressing the knee into each other. Don't let the knees go away from each other. Keep your back straight, shoulder relaxed. Maintain the pressure of both the knees into each other, and very slowly you lift your left leg up now. And then maintain like this and keep on pressing the knee. Don't let the knees get released. Keep on pressing, holding, stretch the toes in, feel, keep breathing, be relaxed, hold for about 10 seconds, and then keeping the knees pressed, 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 pressed. Release the left leg very slowly by pressing the knees into each other, and then release. When you do this, you will feel a burning sensation. But that's how the muscles are involved, that's how they become stronger. So when you do this, especially the third practice, do one with the right, then one with the left, and again do right, left alternately for about 3 times. Later on with practice, you can reach up to 5 times also. So this is a very good friend to strengthen the knees and strengthen the quads. Friends, I hope you're following our videos of chair yoga. This particular practice of strengthening the knee is very important. And as we have discussed in this video, how knee has to bear so much weight of the body. So keeping them fit will help you to increase the longevity of your life by walking easily, moving easily, and all that. If you are liking our videos, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any queries related to these videos or any other videos, please do write to us. We will revert it back to you. Keep tuned for more videos of chair yoga. Thank you. Namaste.